Wow, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio 4D. Let's Carmen Shah and get ready for the first test of DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. Get ready. As you can see, this is my new DaVinci Resolve system. Let's go to the first opening, DaVinci Resolve. Okay. Wonderful. Welcome to DaVinci Resolve Studio. Get ready for that. Get ready. Okay. Get ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Get ready. Okay. Okay. Wait a few minutes. Wait. Okay. Where are you, bro? Where are you, bro? Wonderful is here. As you can see, this is my project. When you come here, you can create a new project like tester. Okay, GS 4D. Now Studio 4D. Create. Wonderful. Wait a few minutes to see something. Okay. Wonderful. Welcome on DaVinci Resolve Studio. On DaVinci Resolve, you have many beautiful features for video editing. About DaVinci Resolve, you have the new DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. This is almost $3,000. Oh, this is great. This is nice. Okay. Let's do it. Look at that. We have a fields. We have edit. On edit you have benefits. On fields you have project settings. On project settings you can edit a video on 8K Ultra HD, bro. This is great. This is amazing. I like it. For a moment, for this video, I will choose full HD. Full HD. Quickly. For you. Okay, save. Wonderful. You have also the possibility to access to your beautiful preferences, your memory and GPU. You can change this to Cuba like that. And on Cuba you can choose what you want. Okay. And as you can see, this is a GeForce GT 740M for Cuba. Okay, click on save right now. Now you need to restart to see if it's working. Okay, click on close this, save your data, and restart right now. Okay, the restarting will start. Okay, you need to open again quickly to see if your beautiful GeForce driver is compatible with Cuba, or you can install Cuba. Let me see something if Cuba is installed on my beautiful computer with the beautiful tools. Okay, you need also Cuba. Where are you? Cuba, NVIDIA, this is NVIDIA, as you can see, NVIDIA Cuba development 10.1. Wonderful. And you have Cuba another things. This is great. You need also Microsoft Visual Studio installer for you. You need to install the above feature, and if your computer is compatible, you can do what you want. You can accelerate the rendering of DaVinci Resolve. Okay. Now open again DaVinci Resolve. Get ready. Okay, get ready for that. Get ready. Okay. Let's see if it's working. If the first opening is good. Loading frame lighter, loading color page. What are you DaVinci Resolve? Have you disappeared? I also thought you are good. Okay, wait a few seconds. Wait. Where are you, bro? You are here. Okay. As you can see, test. This is my project, my new project. Okay. Now, welcome on your beautiful project. Let's see on preferences. If my beautiful configuration here, okay, Cuba is selected, and this is good. Media, decoder, another, okay. Great. And user. Okay, wonderful, no problem. You can choose a language here, French for example. Okay, this is great. Now, look at that. You have here media. So here you can put your beautiful different project, your videos directly. Your videos directly here. Okay, change. You need to click on change, add finish, and you have two beautiful videos here. Fire. You can also do the same action to add a beautiful image directly here. Okay. This is area 51, bro. 51. You can click on, you can select Ctrl and S to save. Wonderful. And you have many things here: face, edit, trend, timeline, playback, view, playback, fusion, color, flight, workspace, help, another for you. And under you have media, you have also cut. And on cut you have this. You can put your new project directly on the here. You can put here. You should put Yeah, okay. When you see this, I think what is good. What is this, bro? What is this? What is this? Okay, this is for cat. Okay, come back and click on edit before. You need to create an edit project. Quickly. Okay, like that. Put this here. Okay, as you can see, you have this. And now you can do what you want. Look at that. You can come here to increase the timeline. Look at that. Wonderful. You can also add your beautiful stop. You can also add your beautiful image here. Thank you. And you can click here on I on your keyboard to adjust your timeline, your template, your timeline. Click on O. Take here. And this is good. You can work on a beautiful project directly here like that. And this is great. This is nice, bro. This is amazing. What do you think? Great. Okay. Now. You can do what you want. Here you have all of your beautiful tools to cut. This is to cut. You can cut your project. Select like that. Select. And do what you want, just like that. You have your beautiful effect that you can add. You have video transition, audio transition, titles. You have generator, effect, open ease, and filters for you. Okay. Let's do something beautiful right now for my subscribers. What I can do for you? Come on, transition. And select, okay, this standard things. You have X, Y. Is what you can put US here, but there are some things that you need to know. You need to know that when you put something transition here, you need absolutely to see this. Look at that. This is the transition that I had with you. This is amazing. This is so nice and so beautiful. Yeah. And now. You can do what you want with another transitions. And you can also select this. As you can see, when you select, you can see you can come here and select your project that does this. Select the video that you have cut, do the right click, and you can choose a color directly here. For example, for the first, color orange. For the second, choose another color. Color green. To finish, let's take another color like color. What the color that you want to add, I put here. Okay, purple. Wonderful. And now you can do this. You can do this. You can do also this. And you can navigate on a different page like that. You have here the audio and here the videos. And you are ready now for the video editing. Okay. Let's do it. You can also see cat. Cat is in front of you. Look at that, cat is here. And on cat, you have the possibility to cut your beautiful video with more precision. Can you see this? This is amazing. Let's like and subscribe to that because this option is great. And you can click on Ctrl and V to cut this. Come here, do this, Ctrl and V to cut this. Wonderful. You have this for you, and it's so portable. You have also the template directly here. The template is here. This is one of the best things on DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. Woo! This is amazing. Now click on Edit here, and you can do this for your beautiful image. You can also add a transition here. Great. Look at, wonderful. This is great. This is nice. If you meet a problem with the audio, you can click on this beautiful mic to open these things on Windows. This is microphone. You can deactivate like that. Again and activate again. Look at that. When you see this, there is a problem. You can do the same action to deactivate and activate. As you can see, I'm recording this video with my beautiful OBS. This is why there is some problem, but no problem with you. Click on this here. On, okay, activate, and you can see under no answer with DaVinci Resolve. Great. Okay, let's see if it's working. No problem, no bug. Let's listen right now. Listen. What?
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel today under this video. Good. Thank you for watching.
As you can see, it's working so well and so beautiful. Now click on version. Wonderful. Welcome on Fusion. On Fusion, you can do many things like After Effects. You are also edit. You are also pixel color. On color, you have the curve. For doing this, you can select the things that you want to edit. For example, let's test the beautiful picture. Look at the picture. Look at that. This is amazing. Look at that. You can do this. You can also click here to add something. Click here to do what you want. This is not bad. I like this. You can also reset all of this, just like that. And click on nodes. Okay, this is nodes. Now you can do this too. You can add nodes. Okay, I recommend you to click on ALT from your beautiful computer with S to have this and do all of the beautiful new modifications that you want to add to your beautiful. Ooh, look at that. This is great. You have, wow, many things. This is OpenEFX. Wonderful. As you can see, there are so much beautiful things here, so much beautiful effects here for you. You can do the same action, Alt S to your beautiful new node, and you can choose what you want here. For example, you have box blue. directional blue, caution blue, lesson blue, mosaic blue, radial zoom. You have color space, color chromatic. Let's test it to see. As you can see, this is some beautiful things that you can add. Ctrl-Z to go back and test quickly another beautiful color, like color space. And now you have also this that you can edit. Ctrl-Z. You can add another things like what? Let's test this. Look at that. Let's see what I like on this beautiful DaVinci Resolve. And you can edit, do what you want, to adjust, to choose the best color, just like that. Ooh, look at that. Can you see something? This is great. This is amazing. And there are so much things here for you. If you know this, great. There are so much beautiful features into. There are also camera raw, also color match. This color is so big. It's so big you can click on Shift on the keyboard, left Shift, and do this with your beautiful left click on your mouse. And you can also do another thing like that, and choose your default, your preference, the color that you need. This is color temperature. And you have also this, under you have this to decrease in grade. Wonderful. You have all of this. Thank you. This is amazing. You can also reset your beautiful notes, and you can add directly here saturation under saturation, or you can choose this. This is like black and white. You can add a new note, add the S for your new note, select your new note like that, and add saturation. Ooh, look at that now, look at the change. This is why I like more DaVinci Resolve. There are so much precision and DaVinci Resolve all other application, all other software. Now you have the Firelight. Okay, all of it for you, for your video, your music, for your song. You can go for your song. Look at, wonderful. Look at that. You can increase. Come back. You can increase here. Wonderful. You have all of this for you. You can reset. Oh, this is great. Wonderful. And you have also the what is this? This is deliver. And on deliver you can choose the folder where you want to export your beautiful project. You have also YouTube default configuration here. As you can see, it's great. You can choose MP4 and left all of this like that. And you need absolutely to choose the folder and rename your beautiful project, okay, like that. And this is great. And you can click add and add your project here and start the render like that, okay. before start the render. As you can see, start it. Okay, let's stop this quickly because this is a test. Great, you can clean. Before start the rendering, I recommend you to do something important. Firstly, select this. Look at that. You can click on I to choose this, or O to limit this, and you need also to do this, and do this for more precision, and it's great. If you want to export only these beautiful things, these beautiful videos, you can do this and click on O to adjust, and you will export only this beautiful video with this beautiful saturation. Listen again.
Video and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel today.
Wonderful. As you can see, this is another video. This is video with saturation. This is great. Okay, let's test this quickly. With you. For example, put TR2, TR1, and TR1 will come. Okay, and okay, TR1. Save, and you have to click add. You can upload directly on YouTube. Okay. Before doing this, let me show you something special. On the edit, you can click on inspector. On inspector, you can increase, for example, the position of your beautiful image. You can do this. You can also add a key, okay, and do what you want, like After Effects. You can also do zoom like that, and you can do many things here. This is great. This is amazing. You have also this, okay, this to adjust many things, transformation. Now you have zoom like that, and you can resize like that directly with this option. There are so much beautiful options here for you that you can discover yourself, but this is the basic things that you need to know before starting. Okay, now you have a new feature on these things. This is what? This is the quick wondering. What is this? What is this? Quick. Meta. Okay. Close inspector. Go on. Where are you? Quick wondering. Where are you? Okay, maybe it's because I have something here. Okay, click on start wondering. Oh, this is not the thing I want to do. Okay, oh, please close. Change its name quickly for 5. Add, and now click on start render. With Cuba, you will see this rendering is fast, very fast with Cuba. Wonderful, finish. Now you can access to your beautiful videos where you have choose where is my video, where are you? Let's see where is it. video. Okay, 555. And look at all of this detail. You can click on right click. And right click, you have properties. And on properties, you have detail. And on detail, you have all of this full HD and what you need to know. Now, let's open to see if the effect is applied. One, two, three, four, five.
Video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel today.
Wonderful.
Video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel today. Video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel today.
As you can see, all of this saturation is applying on this video. Let's now see the default video. Let's see the resources. Where are you? F. Put this here. Double click to open.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you for watching this video.
Look at that. And look at now the difference.
Video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Look at that.
Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like.
Great. As you can see, there are so much change. Look at that.
Video, and don't forget to.
As you can see, it's not fake, it's working so very well and it's so fast. I like very more this beautiful application, this beautiful software, and I recommend you face. Okay, now click on edit, and I want to find something. Okay, to this, deliver. Do this, just like that. Edit again. Okay. Metadata inspector, mixer. Oh, look at the mixer, and you are all of this beautiful bug here. Wonderful. Great. As you can see, all of this are great. You have music, do this for volume. It's great. Wonderful. Okay. What I can do? Come here. Wonderful. Here you can select where you want to take all of your beautiful project directly here for exportation directly. No time, no thing. It's great. You can do this like right. Put this here and go on edit, and you can do this. Put this directly here. It's so simple and so fast. This is amazing. Look at that. Listen. Look at that. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, okay. Come here. And listen. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? This is 60 FPS project. This is 60 FPS. Oh, what are you doing? This is 60 FPS project. And look at that. Amazing. Can do also this and this to access to your beautiful audio detail. Audio. Look at under audio, and I want to cut your project is now easy. Go now on Cat, and on Cat you will see many things for you for your videos, and on video on fly lights. On Firelight you have also this, you can increase, okay, to see more detail on your beautiful audio, like that, just like that. Increase this, look at that, and do this. This is so amazing. I like this, bro. I like this. This is amazing. This is almost a complete tutorial. Look at that. Listen. And you can see it's working. Great. Look at that. This is so wonderful. Okay. As you can see, now you have all things what you need to know. Okay, the basic things what you need to know to start your YouTube channel. To start your YouTube channel. Okay. There's something also that I want to go show you. As you can see, you have a HDR10 into, where are you? HDR. Okay, when you come here, you can click on right click and add HDR mode. Wonderful. And you have so much features into. Great. This is HDR mode. HDR mode is enabled. You can work with this, and on the project, and then after you can do some configuration, some change for more things, camera roll. This is great. Okay, I will do this after. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and get ready for the next video. Studio 4D. Look at it. Amazing. Wonderful. Stop the music. Thank you for watching. As you can see, there was DaVinci Resolve. You can click on edit and click on the CTRL-S to save your data, and you can click on home here to access to your data here. With your data is here and your local database is here. Click on open field, and you can now copy this field and put this field on another folder to save your data when you change your system. Okay, if you're my Windows 10, you change your system, and another. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and get ready for the next video. I love you so much. Close. Wow, look at all of this. All of this are so beautiful, and it's for you. Okay. DaVinci Resolve is here for you many times and every day. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and say to me what you think about this. Under this video, I have used Adobe Premiere Pro many times, many years, and I meet so much bug, and today I have fixed all of this problem with DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. This is why I recommend you to buy this beautiful software. for your video and for more experiences on your videos editing. But Photoshop is one of the best features, one of the best software for photo editing that you need to have also. What do you think? You can make a fusion with Premiere Pro, okay, if it's working well on your computer or on your laptop, and if it's good, get ready. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for the next video. Thank you. Let's do it.